What is up guys, it is Ethan from Tech Informer, and today we're going to be reviewing the Razer Ornata chroma. So let's get right into the review. First off, the main features of the keyboard are its looks. The main selling point of the keyboard is based around the chroma feature. As you can tell, this keyboard is full of bright colors. The Ornata keyboard family consists of two keyboards, the Ornata Chroma and the Ornata. For this model, I have the Chroma. I personally love the Chroma because you have so many options to choose from, and the LEDs can display millions of colors. It's almost like a mini light show on my desk. This keyboard features membrane key supports with an added click, sounding similar to the Razer green clicky switches. I actually really like the sound it makes, and I'm a huge fan. Unlike most Razer keyboards, this one is very unique. First off, it uses mid-height mechanical keys. This keyboard is considered in the middle of chiclet keys and mechanical keys. Second, like I said earlier, it is membrane. The mid-height keys definitely do give you some more control of what you're typing, but I have had problems with the spacebar, clicking it from the side and it not going down all the way. The keyboard features a braided USB cable. Really like this feature just because it shows that it's quality made. The keyboard is made out of plastic, but it feels very durable. Not something that you can just drop and it would crack. It also features a tiny screen, which indicates whether you have caps lock on, macros on, or anything else. At the bottom of the keyboard there are rubber feet, and there are also some stands so you can prop your keyboard up depending on what angle you like it at. I personally like it up because it makes it easier to type, but my favorite feature is the chroma. You can download Razer Snaps 2.0. This will modify the way your keys look. So here's some examples of what the keys look like. So first there's breathing, which is my least favorite, but it just kind of breathes out two different colors. You can have one different color like I have shown. Next is fire, which literally looks like a fire, and this looks really cool, but it doesn't really match my setup. I have more of a blue tone. Next you have reactive. This feature is really sick. When you hit one of the keys, it lights up the key. You can also extend how long you want it to stay on the keyboard. Then you have ripple, a lot like reactive, but when you type, it sends ripples going throughout the keyboard. Although, when you type, it turns into a giant strobe light. Spectrum just fades through all the colors, which is definitely a unique one, and I personally like it because you get a taste of all the colors. Next is static. Static is just one color. I just am showing you variations of colors. And my personal favorite, wave. It waves through the rainbow, which I thought this one wouldn't match my setup, but it actually comes out really cool, and I really like it. Overall, I think the keyboard is definitely something I would recommend to someone. The chroma effect, the way the keys sound and feel, the price, all make this keyboard perfect for what I do on a daily basis. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Also, check out our iPhone 7 and 7 Plus review in the description. See ya.